Hi people, hello mense. Hi people, hello mense. It's 18th of November 2025 today. 18de van November 2025. Nou, die spuit daar so op die ruit is kapot. Die pomp hem, so ek het nou 'n elektriese dompelpomp daar so. I'm using the submersible pump, the electric pump, instead of the original hand pump. The hand pump is broken, so this is how it looks like. The electric wire there, the pipe on there, coming out, and there you see it. Now, let's go to the bench there on the other side. Kom ons gaan na die bank toe daar so aan die kant. En dit is die so toemaak, die wind is 'n bietjie stormagtig. Like so, the wind is a little bit stormy, it's a bietjie stormagtig. Miskien ek moet die pomp afskakel. Die welpomp. Right. Nou die dompelpomp van die boorgat ook dood. Nou welpomp, the drilled welpomp. Drilled well, I mean. Niet dig well, it's a man-made well, it's a machine-made drilled well. Met 'n air drill, met 'n boor, lugboor geboor, die gat. Reg, nou hier is 'n ene wat ek gestroop het, met 7 jaar gehou. Daar nog stukkies van hom. Nou deze selfe as daai ander ene. Now, what happened with this thing, wat ek wil verduidelik, wat gebeur het met deze pompie. Kom nou even nou te wees. So. Nou, hier kom 'n seeltjie. Right. Now, this bottom cover, plastic I mean. Now they took this motor and they fitted the motor like so onto there. Then they fitted this rubber seal. It's hard as a stone. That is actually the pump, the problem. Probleem van deze is die ribbe het opgedroog en krakies in of wat ook wel daar is en het let die water in die motor in. So it's leaking the water into the motor, or was leaking the water into the motor. As you can see, it's all rusted up and seized up, solid. So hy het so gesit daar binnekant daar so, in daai gat en daar, in that hole there, that coming off, and then the impeller of the pump is like stuck onto the shaft like that, and there are also half of a quarter of a piece or whatever there. So this all was stuck onto like so, and I broke it all off to get them to the motor. So there you can see the seal, but leaked, the water leaked in there into the motor and it got rusted. There are the 2 wires still left, and then it's all like molded around the motor this way. Oopsie, like that. Now the bottom part was over there, so, and this, and then the impeller part, and then the bottom part, and the impeller was in this housing here. There you can see it, and then the water whirled around there, Oh my goodness. And then up through that hole there, up there to the pipe and out. Right, now the wire piece was like on here. That was the top of the pump, like so, sorry. Top of the pump, and then this piece came on there with the wire. And this lead is also stone na uit. Uitgedroogd is ook. Kapot, 7 jaar. And it's the exact motor as the one there. Selfe motor. Presies dieselfde motor. En ek wil julle nog iets wys. So actually it's a little bit small, was a little bit smaller than this one. This one is a little bit bigger. But I must now find somebody to check this battery. If it's a cell that's gone pugai or the electronic stuff. If it's electronic stuff, they must replace the electronic stuff, or the cells must be replaced, and then it can work again. But anyway, the screwdriver drill or whatever, they use this motor. And this motor is the exact same motor as that, as you can see. The only difference is shaft length. Dit is as 'n lang lengte verskil. Verder dan is dit presies dieselfde motor. So in heel veel goeders word dieselfde motors gebruik. So hulle het net die boormasjiene het verskillende pryse en verskillende verhoudings. Gear ratios are different, and the outside is different, and so on, and the way the batteries connect is different, and so. But actually, most of the electric drills, they use the same motors. As we can see, this was the other screwdriver drill motor. The battery also went cocker, and I took the motor out of the drilling machine, out of the machine. The machine was nothing wrong with the machine, because nothing wrong with this. Threw everything away. It's same as that thing there. Nothing wrong with the machine. It's this is the problem. So must just fix this, and this will work again. There's nothing wrong with it. Motor is still good. Okay, now that is the end of this video. Just wanted to show you this. Most stuff uses same motors, different machines, different makes of machines, but the motor is the same. Same place, same factory makes the motors. So you can't say it's a bad thing or good thing because it's same motors powering it. Maar het aandrywe is alles dieselfde. So. Dan sê ek tot ziens van deze video van die boormasjiene. Motors. Say bye-bye from this video. Thank you for viewing this video. Dankie dat jy na deze video gekyk het. Selfe motors, verskillende masjiene. Right. Bye-bye, tot ziens.